Hi everyone. Wow, we're so lucky today. Look at what we've got. We've got Play-Doh Cutie Mark Creators. And we have two My Little Ponies. Look at that, aren't they lovely? And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 little tubs of Play-Doh. Let's turn it around and have a look. Oh, this looks exciting. So we can fill up the ponies with Play-Doh and decorate them and make them look lovely. But we can also make stamps. Oh, I can't wait to get started with this. Look at this. This My Little Pony is called Princess Twilight Sparkle. And this little one over here, this pink one, is called Pinkie Pie. How cute is that? Pinkie Pie and Princess Twilight Sparkle. Wow, let's get this open. I can't wait. Tricky to open. One of the Play-Doh tubs went flying across the room. I had to go and grab it quickly. So here we have Princess Twilight Sparkle, and here she is. She's so cute looking, and under her feet she has a mold, and that looks like a crown and a star and almost a medal with a star in it. So that'd be really interesting to see how that looks when we stamp it out. And then here we have Pinkie Pie. She's got a roller with all sorts of things. So there's a horseshoe, another horseshoe. That looks like a medal of some sort, maybe with balloons in it. Another horseshoe and another horseshoe. And more balloons. I wonder if this wheel comes out. Oh, it does. So this wheel pops out. Oh, that's tricky. Oh, there we go. And Pinkie Pie stands beautifully. And she's also a really pretty looking pony. And with our two ponies came some lovely blue Play-Doh. Gorgeous purple. A light blue. And wonderful orange again. Wow, let's get started. are two beautiful My Little Ponies. Aren't they just gorgeous? Wow. Wow, I'm very proud of them. Thank you so much for helping me. I had such fun decorating and making them look really, really pretty. And I bet that if you guys get this set, you will make them just as beautiful. Probably use better combinations than I have as well. Let me know. Drop me a comment. Tell me how you've done it, or if you like what I'm doing. If you do, you could give me a thumbs up or subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.